Hi there, today we're unboxing a power bank. So this particular power bank gives 20,000 mAh capacity. It's by a company called Jonkuu, and you can purchase it from Amazon for around £20. Now let's have a quick look around the packaging. Nothing too fancy, just plain packaging, just a sticker going across and some details on there. So we've got high-speed charge, temperature, abnormal protect, overcharge and over discharge protect, input over voltage protect, cell MCU protect, output over voltage protection. So quite a lot of protection, I guess, on there. So let's have a look at what you get in the packaging. So I've got a knife here. Let's carefully open that up. Okay, there you go. Get the actual power bank. Oh, nice. Comes with a carry pouch and a manual. Anything else? Oh, okay, and a charge cable as well. Okay, so here are all the items laid out. Let's have a look at the USB charge cable you get with it to charge the device. Nice chunky wire on there, not very long, quite short. Let's give you an idea end to end how long this is. So approximately cable wise, we're talking 22 and a half centimeters on there on the cable. Pretty short, but nice thick quality cabling, feels like. The manual itself, pretty straightforward stuff, all in English, which is nice. Comes with a pouch as well. Nice strong material, and has a string to just close it as well. Not often you get a pouch with these, so quite nice. So let's have a look at the actual power bank. Okay, let's give you a bit of a close-up on that. So, looks all plasticky. I've just pressed the button here. Looks like it's powered on. So obviously, as you can see, LED lights along here. Finish-wise, got some, looks like stitching, but it is just the mold on it to make it look a little bit like a leather finish, but it's not leather, it is just plastic, and tough plastic as that. Okay, goes all the way around, and that's more of a smooth, flat finish on there. Along the edges, it's a glossy, plasticky finish. You've got a torch on there as well, and 2 charge points, and the actual point to charge it up. So let's see what happens when you press this. Hold on to it. There you go, the light turns on. Nothing amazingly bright, but still sufficient if you suddenly needed an emergency light. So let's press that again. Hold on to it. It turns off. Okay, that's good. Okay, just to show how bright the torch is with this, let me turn it on when it's completely dark. There you go. Not too bad. Actually help get you around if you needed to use it in emergency. Okay, so let's test out charging some devices from this power bank. So, one thing to mention, the actual LED lights that appear here actually give you an indication of the charge remaining on the device. So if I plug in initially this meter, and this meter gives you a reading of the actual output that's been given out. So as you plug in, lights come on straight away. Nice to have an indicator of how much power's on there. Meters come on, it's showing you volts and amps. So the amps is showing us nothing because nothing's plugged in at the moment. So let me initially plug in my mobile. So this is a Samsung S7. and there's the pull on there. That's the voltage and that's the amps. So the amps coming at the 20 sort of range, 0.20. Okay, so 0.26 amps. Okay, let's see what the other one gives out. See if I flip over to that one. Okay, and this one gives slightly more, so 0.35, 0.38, just between that, it's fluctuating a little bit amps. Okay, so with that going on as well, let me take another phone. So this is a Google Pixel. So if I put in the charge in this side and put in here to charge, so two phones charging at the same time. And it looks like there's a slight drop here. So that's fine. At least they're both charging. Let's check on here. You see a charge indicator there and charging here. So there you go. Works well. Okay, so you've seen this power bank unboxed. You've seen what you get in the actual package. You've seen the actual build quality of this. Quite a nice solid build to it. Nice, it comes with 2 charge points and it comes with a flashlight as well. Never know when that could come in handy. It's nice, it comes with an indicator showing the actual remaining charge on there, and even comes with a nice little pouch. Let's try putting that in. There you go, closes quite nicely as well. So nice soft finish to that, and obviously simple and easy to carry around if you wanted to. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.